Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Zubair Khan and you are watching my vlog. Following the footsteps of its current spiritual head, Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat avails all the opportunities to spread the peace message across the globe. In April 2024, football peace tournament of Balkan countries was organized by Bulgarian Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat. With kind courtesy of Muslim TV Ahmadiyya, you can now watch and listen this inspiring program.
The grace of Allah the Almighty and the prayers of beloved Huzur, may Allah be his helper, Jamaat Ahmadiyya Bulgaria organized the very first Balkan Peace Football Tournament on the 13th of April 2024 in the capital city of Bulgaria, Sofia. Representatives of 9 Balkan countries, namely Albania, Bosnia, Bulgaria, Croatia, Greece, Kosovo, Macedonia, Serbia, and Slovenia, forming 6 football teams, participated in the peace tournament. The delegations from the Balkan countries arrived a day prior to the main event in Sandomski to enjoy a barbecue at a beautiful location in between nature. This barbecue also served to draw the football matches taking place the next day with great excitement. As the groups and the formatting of the matches were announced, the program was concluded with a very delicious cake before everyone left for their accommodation. On the 13th of April 2024, the opening ceremony of the Balkan Peace Football Tournament took place in the National Football Center. The program started with the recitation of the Holy Quran, followed by the introduction and purpose of the peace tournament. Right after, instructions and rules for the football matches were laid out. The opening ceremony was concluded with a silent prayer led by Murabbi Wasim Sahib. The matches of the 6 football teams were divided into 2 groups to nominate the winners of each group for the semi-final and final. All the teams and the players played the matches with great enthusiasm and showing great sportsman spirit and respect for each other.
By the grace of Allah, today we held the Balkan Football Peace Tournament, and the Ahmadis from across the other countries, from the Balkan countries, have travelled across to come here, and it's been a fantastic atmosphere. We got together, enjoyed ourselves very much, and so far it's been going amazingly. Everything's been perfect, and hopefully we can bond more today until the concluding session, inshallah. Jazakallah.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Besmir Avesi. I'm a member of the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat Kosovo. It is the first time that the whole Balkan has come together for this Balkan Peace Football Tournament. The brotherhood and love is very beautiful, and I am very grateful for the hospitality. May Allah Ta'ala bless you for that. And this positive energy is a really good energy which we are gaining here from seeing our brothers.
أشهد أن محمدًا رسول الله.
After the final matches, everyone got together to offer the Zuhur and Asr prayers in congregation. After offering the prayers, everyone arrived at the venue of the official peace event and the concluding ceremony that took place in the Largo area of the ancient Serdica complex in the heart of the capital city of Sofia. The space Largo of the ancient Serdica complex is located in front of the Parliament building, which itself is an open public space belonging to the Regional Historical Museum promoting the archaeological site in Sofia. The official peace event started with the recitation of the Holy Quran with Bulgarian and English translations. Thereafter, the speech of Murabbi Ataul Nasir Sahib from Greece followed about the global activities of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community and the need to recognize God in order to understand our responsibility to serve His creation. In the following, the present local Bulgarian guest, Mrs. Valentina Runeva, Director of the Social Services Temporary Accommodation Center, expressed her gratitude to the Ahmadiyya Muslim community for their work. Subsequently to the speeches, the award ceremony of the peace tournament took place. The respective president and Murabbiyan from the Balkan countries were invited on stage to hand over the awards to the participants of the tournament. In the beginning, the awards for the fair player and the player of the tournament were announced, and after distributing medals and trophy to the team from Bosnia for their third position, the teams Kosovo A and Kosovo B received their awards for the second and first position in the peace tournament. The official program concluded with a silent prayer led by the Murabbi Wasim Ahmed Sahib from Serbia. Alongside the peace event, there was also a peace exhibition organized in the adjacent hall which everyone could visit. Roll-ups on various topics of peace, society, and Islam were displayed with the picture of His Holiness Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad, may Allah be his helper, Khalifatul Masih V.
I am extremely pleased that I had the chance to attend such an event. Young people who realize that the future depends on them and who completely understand the meaning of what they're doing. Young people who play around and have fun, but at the same time want to be and know that they're being helpful. I am beyond delighted. All of this is a wonderful initiative, full of care and great enthusiasm.
By the grace of Allah the Almighty, the peace event was very successful in bringing together people from the Balkans to not just share the message of peace. Moreover, it was a practical example of how love can overcome any form of prejudice or reservation towards one.